We love our watermelon patch. This thing was not quite ready though. When the rain started to hit, it just split open. Not much good in there, but I'm going to see what we can eat out of it.
Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave.
It was not quite ready. Let's see what kind of flavor we get out of this. Actually, surprising amount of flavor. I wish it had lasted a little longer. We're getting heavy rains here in Destin, Florida, causing my melons to split. It's a sad day. That was a lot of melon. Over 6 kilos of melon down the tubes. So sad. I bet I know a turtle or two that might enjoy these. We're going to have to leave a few of these pieces out here and keep an eye on them. I know other things are going to eat on them too, but we are going to just spread these out and hope the turtles find them. I put them where I know I've seen turtles the most. This is Bowtie David for Bowtie Life. Please subscribe on YouTube if you have not done so already. We still have a lot of melons out here and we have more growing. I see a couple right down there still. Another one right there in plain sight. Another one back over there. Where to go? Right in there somewhere. So we're still doing good. Still haven't enjoyed any. But that was my biggest one that split open. Hey, if you want to follow along in the garden, please be sure to subscribe to Bowtie Life on YouTube. That's where our videos come out first. Y'all have a blessed day.